Yesterday, I instruct our foreign affairs to start preparation to open an office of Samoa in Jerusalem this year. And yesterday was the first time I officially announced during our conference up there in the Fontatalo Tato Malo. And I know for a fact I wish to congratulate my partner Prime Minister, Hitireti Rampuka. Please pass on my best regards for him. It was an honor to have elder Prime Minister like him, maturity and very respectfully in your community, and congratulate for pave the way for Samoa to be, Fiji to be in Jerusalem first. I know Fiji is always ahead of us in that, but I think my brother Vincent was the only Samoan soldier there in Jerusalem. Oh, it's a saying Samoa, Tasi Ayafe, means one compared to a billion people. So today, Fine, we are very grateful to have you here. This is our Christianity family, not all, you will see many more. This place will be full if they all come. And then the food will be gone without your breakfast this morning. Ya, le paia mal mamalu o le tato valauria le aso, ya o te moriatu mo ngalofa, pa ia faltala le lei, malu foi fal malo, tio mai le tu lau fal fam sinonga, pa malo le unsai, mal fa pale malo fo nga due. O tato fai balo filima e tofu al tangata malana e toso. Ale manunga mo tātou mo si o tātou atunu lumanai. Ia tātou ape foe whaatasi mo si o tātou atunu. Ua tātou sāwa vali taimi whaingatā. Lui tau whawhita auli.